Welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss the unit number 2 explanation of the subject data analytics modeling. Okay, so before that in unit number 2 I have given only two concepts. The first concept is data cleansing, second concept is data profiling. Okay, so these are the two concepts. These two concepts is more than enough from the unit number 2. So what is the introduction to the data quality? What is meant by data quality? Means data quality is nothing about the you are having the large number of data. Okay, in that what is the quality you are having in that? Okay, what is the required thing you are having in the organization which will be useful for your organization? That is called data quality. So data profiling and the data cleansing are the two essential tools and techniques. What it will do, whether the data is having the accuracy, whether the data is reliable, whether the data is consistent in nature. For that purpose this data profiling and data cleansing will be useful. Clear? So this is the introduction and next one you are having the data warehouse and data business intelligence. So data warehouse is nothing about the data where we are storing in a database. That database wherever we are storing the data is called data warehouse. For example, I am storing all your information in some particular place. This particular place is called data warehouse. Okay, next business intelligence. What is meant by business intelligence? Business intelligence is a software which will be helpful to grow your organization. Okay, so different techniques and tools we are using to the organization to increase their intelligence. Okay, for that sake this business intelligence will be useful. Okay, next important concept data profiling. Yes, we have discussed about the data profiling question. No, so data profiling is nothing about the whatever the data you have given. For that data it will examine, it will analyze whether the data is useful or not. It will summarize it. Okay, out of 100 pages it makes around 20 to 30 pages only. That is called summary of that particular data profiling. So the main thing of this data profiling is that data quality issues it will discover the risks, and it will overall follows the trends. So data profiling involves the collection of the descriptive things like minimum, maximum, sum, count, like that. Okay, next one, collecting data types, like it will collect the data types and recurring factors also. Yes, next it will be tagging the data in keywords. It will store the data in the keywords format, and it will be helpful for the data quality assessment also. Yes, this type of things will be there in the data profiling involves. Okay, so this is very much important. What is the steps you are having? There are mainly 4 steps. First step is searching for the accurate data, then it will discover the issue, then it will be helpful for the ETL process, then later it will give the executive perfectly. After getting the ETL process, the data issues will be solved and it will be useful for the organization. It will be executed perfectly. Clear? So that is main important question. Why it is important for this data profiling means, the first important is it will be helpful for the creditability and improve the data quality. Yes, data quality is one of the main advantage, and it will be helpful for the decision making. It will be helpful for the structured organizing. It will be helpful for the managing your organizations. Yes, and the data profiling methods you are having there are 3 methods. Okay, in this there are 3 methods for this data profiling. First one is column profiling, next one cross column profiling, third one is cross table profiling. Column profiling is a method. What it will do, it appears in the form of columns of a table. Next, cross column profiling, it will be look like a key analysis of the implementation of the information. Whatever the implementation, whatever the inter relationships you have kept in the data sets, it will cross examine like that. Okay, next, cross table. In this method, user across table identifies the potential follow, like foreign keys. What is the key, which key is depending on more, like that. Okay, so that is important. That's it about the data profiling. Next we have discussed about the data cleansing also. No, so cleansing of data is nothing about the cleaning the data whichever we want in the organization. For that case, whether we are having or not, that is important. That is called data cleansing. Clear? So next important thing, see, they have given the real time examples. Okay, real time examples they have given, which is not important. And next topic is about the data cleansing. Either they may ask about the data profiling or else data cleansing. So data cleansing is nothing about the cleaning the data cleaning or data scrubbing. What it will do, whatever the duplication of data is there, it will remove. Whatever the incomplete records is there, it will fill that. Yes, for that case this data cleansing is there. Data cleansing anna, data cleaning anna, data scrubbing anna is one and the same. So this data cleansing will be helpful to develop the data quality. It will helpful to develop the data quality. It will make the information more accurate, more consistency, like that. Clear? So that is important. Why it is important, you need to write it, because it will reduces the duplication of data. It will removes the irrelevant data which is not suitable for the organizations, like that. You can write the examples, advantages also. So what is the steps you are having? First it will do the inspection and profiling. First it will do the inspection, whether the data is fixed or not, whether the data is having the any elements or not, like that. It will gather the statistics. Okay, then it will clean the process. It will delete the duplicate data. It will reduces the redundancy. It will be helpful for the reliability of the data, like that. Okay, so these two questions is more than enough. Okay, so try to try to draw this type of flow charts when you're writing the side headings. Whatever the side headings you have wrote, just make sure that side heading should be represented in flow chart, so that you can easily represent the answer in the diagrammatical format as well as the theoretical format, so where you can easily score O grade also. This is about the unit number 2. Okay.